Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Crypto Helper Official. In this video, I'm going to share you another great project named BB.Shiba, and the website link is bb.shiba.online. As you know, guys, there have been many scam projects daily come in the market. They come and scam very fast without paying our investment back. But this BB.Shiba is a great trusted platform from a trusted admin. If you buy this token now, it may be profitable to you in the future. But as you know, guys, you have to invest at your own risk only. We are not any financial advisor. So when you open this site baby.shiba.online, you can see baby.shiba. Baby.shiba has mastered everything from the meme lord grandfather Doge. He was born under the light of the biggest moon with his eyes set on the prize. If you missed out the Doge, Shiba Inu and Baby Doge, what are you waiting for? Baby.Shiba is the latest cryptocurrency that is hyper-deflectory built with an automatic smart stakeout system to reward you. So the longer you hold Baby.Shiba, the more coins will automatically be added to your wallet with every transaction. Here you can join their Telegram community if you want to join. Here the airdrop of this token is live. The airdrop is of $6 million BD Shiba coins, and here you can see the liquidity is locked 100x faster. You can see on this coin, and it only takes 1 minute to complete this form. Here they had provided step-by-step guide to complete this form and to be eligible in the airdrop. You can see this all. When you did this all, you can simply fill out the form if you want to fill and be participate in the airdrop. Here you can see the ways of bonus to earn more symbols. Here you can see the create YouTube video and you will get 1.3 million of dollars of baby.shiba, and if you create a TikTok video you will get 500 millions of B Doge. If you want to see, you can see this all, and their pre-sale is live. If you want to participate in the pre-sale, you can simply participate. If you want to buy this token, you can simply send amount of the BNB to this wallet address, then simply fill out the form. If you get any problem, you can contact the admin of their Telegram groups. Here is the token allocation they had provided us. Here is the burn 50%, pre-sale tokens 38.88%, the wallet is 5.55%, and airdrop is 4.44%. Here you can see the holders are 0 and the community is 11k plus. Here is the locked liquidity for 1 year. This is the charity token also. They had a designated charity wallet that receive redistribution that are used to support our charity partners. This will be announced at later date. Here we can find more about the baby.shiba. Baby.shiba was designed with the community in mind. We aim to provide transparency to our community, and our key features help reward our holders in the long term. Baby.Shiba will proudly make a difference in the world by providing a safe haven for our holders and our plain donation to charity. Here you can join their communities if you want to join. After the pre-sale, it will be listed on the PCS, and if you like this token, you will get all the links of buying in the description. And if you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching the video.